To troubleshoot a Lenovo laptop with a USB-C charging issue, start by removing all external peripherals from the computer. Next, turn the laptop off and then back on. Immediately and repeatedly press the F1 or Fn and F1 buttons to access the BIOS settings. Once in the BIOS menu, select the option to restart and load the factory defaults, confirming the action by clicking Yes to reload the BIOS default settings. After completing this step, visit the Lenovo support website to check for system updates and install any applicable ones. Power off the computer for a few minutes before turning it back on to test if the USB-C charging port is working. If the issue persists, it may be necessary to purchase a new AC adapter from the Lenovo website. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the USB-C charging problem on your Lenovo laptop.